how to fix Instagram Reels lag problem in iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application. Now, if you go here to your Reels section and you will see very lag, then what you can do is to check on your Wi-Fi here and make sure that you're connected to an internet now, or a strong internet that is strong enough to actually provide data for the Instagram Reels. Or if you do not have the Wi-Fi, a strong Wi-Fi, then you can actually set it to cellular data here. And basically it will actually now load. The Reels will actually load. Now, if it still doesn't work that way, then what you can do next is to actually go here to your App Store or your Play Store, and then here tap on Instagram here. Tap on Instagram again here and make sure that you have updated your application. If you see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. Now, it's very important for you to update your application. That is because it will clean up the bugs there and, of course, give you the latest version of the application, and you can actually access the new features of the application. Now, if you're done updating that and it still doesn't work, then what you can do here for the last thing is you can go here to your settings or your settings and go to general and then go to iPhone storage. Now here on iPhone storage, what you have to do next is to look for Instagram and then offload the application, then reinstall the application again to refresh the application. Now if you've already done that and there's still a problem, then there is a probability that Instagram itself is currently down, when where you can't actually do anything about it, and you just have to wait for the Instagram community to get back to you and fix your problem or fix the Instagram. And basically that's it. That is how you fix Instagram Reels lag problem in iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give it some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.